The 21st century is an age of the internet. Behind this, computers are an indisputable priority. In such an era, computer science has been integrated into numerous departments and industries. Digital media art, compared with the traditional information majors, has gradually developed and risen. The development of computer data mining, transmission, and computing has become a key driving force for industries like finance to expand at high speed. As a result, whether it's researching a topic, designing a product, or education, computer science related job openings are increasing non-stop. From 2020 to 2030, the employment of computer and information research scientists is expected to grow by 22%. However, currently, girls are not taking all the advantage of this era and this prospering major.
While 57% of bachelor's degrees are earned by women, only 12% of computer science degrees are awarded to them. For women, this gender gap has led to a decline in their determination to choose a computer science major. According to statistics, as of 2011, only 0.4% of women applied to major in computer science, while men were 8 times more so. In terms of advanced placement tests for high school students, in 2006, 12,068 boys took the APCSA assessment, while only 2,594 girls applied. The National Center for Women and Information Technology, or NCWIT, reports that of the SAT takers who intended to major in computer science, the percentage of female students has steadily decreased from 20% in 2001 to 12% in 2006. Gender disparities in computer science have been summed up as innate differences, that is, biological differences between men and women. However, what is more influential than that is the different social environments faced by the two genders. For example, peers often remind girls the idea that you are not suitable for math, and her grades are likely to be negatively affected by this claim.
In this regard, the traditional stereotype that boys are better at science and engineering than girls still plays a role, and girls will be affected to various extent. In addition, the contemporary computer gurus, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and others, are generally men, and girls lack role models. These problems will discourage girls from trying to know more about computer science, leading to the situation now. In the history of the internet, programming, and software, women are the ones who have the key influence. The essence of the computer is computing, and in 1942, the computer was a person, a calculator. Men during World War II were widely recruited into the military, leading many universities to recruit female students to replace men's jobs. Gradually, scientists discovered that women had a higher speed and accuracy of calculations than men. It was a period when computers were women is true. The 6 people who actively developed information warfare and programmed machines in World War II were all women. The first programmer in the history is a woman. Hedy Lamarr is not only a famous actress in Hollywood, but also the mother of Wi-Fi.
However, since the 1970s, men began to enter the programming field and still remaining dominant in hardware occupations. They promoted computer science education and expanded their influence, but their recruitment criteria were mostly male-oriented, sometimes even sexist. Numerous occupations were not open to women. As a result, the computer science and technology industry is gradually tilting towards male. What's more, when the first personal computers were invented, men became the main target customers. This gradually led to families being more likely to buy computers for boys, and as a result, what was intended to be a marketing strategy became the root of the gender gap in computer science. The idea that computers are for boys became a well-known stereotype, defining who is a nerd and who is geeky. Currently, women are poorly represented in computer programming and technology fields, taking up a proportion so small that women are treated like newcomers. Biases became the crucial reason for the loss of self-confidence found in many girls. The phrase, "she doesn't look like a coder," is sometimes not said by anyone but by the girl herself because of where she is situated. Oftentimes, she is left confused, thinking where this inadequacy came from or why it came. Girls may not be able to code, but we are strong, flexible, and efficient, which may be the reasons why a secret group of female mathematicians became the first team of computer creators. If you feel passionate about computer science, then provide yourself with the bravery of equal value. As girls ourselves, we sincerely hope that all girls who love computers can stop mental exhaustion and not lose that love just because you feel that you are not good enough.